In the heart of a region renowned for its technological innovation and industrial expertise, Alvin Community College stands as a pivotal educational partner dedicated to advancing the skills and capabilities of the modern workforce. For more than 75 years, ACC has led the way in vocational education, ideally situated amidst the innovation hubs of NASA, the aerospace sector, and the refining and manufacturing industries of the Texas Gulf Coast. Our mission is clear: to equip your workforce with the knowledge and skills necessary for success in today's competitive landscape. ACC's wide array of specialized programs is the hallmark of innovation and excellence, designed to propel workforce development forward. The Drafting and Design Engineering Technology program is a testament to our commitment to innovation, blending traditional techniques with the latest in digital technology. This program is tailored for creative minds, offering state-of-the-art resources like 3D printers and advanced design software. It's an opportunity for your employees to turn conceptual visions into tangible solutions. In the realm of precision and craftsmanship, our machining program offers comprehensive training from manual techniques to advanced CNC programming. It's designed to elevate the skill set of your team, ensuring they're equipped to tackle the challenges of a rapidly evolving manufacturing sector. Our welding technician program offers more than just training; we forge specialists. With a curriculum that encompasses the latest industry standards, your workforce will gain the expertise necessary for excellence in energy, construction, and manufacturing, ensuring that they're not just participants, but leaders in their field. ACC's Process Technology program equips individuals with essential skills crucial for manufacturing, such as understanding complex manufacturing processes, ensuring stringent quality control, applying safety management, enhancing operational efficiency, maintaining sophisticated systems, as well as driving innovation in environmental and regulatory standards. These competencies are vital for optimizing manufacturing processes, particularly in aerospace operations, ensuring the safety and reliability of the final product. In the digital domain, our networking and cybersecurity programs are tailored to address the critical needs of modern enterprises. Focused on the fundamentals of network architecture and security, these programs offer cutting-edge training, equipping your workforce to navigate and protect the infrastructure of an increasingly connected world. These highlighted offerings represent just a fraction of what ACC brings to the table, with more than 65 programs designed to meet the diverse needs of your business. Together with Alvin's Corporate College, our customized solutions are limitless, ensuring that no matter your industry challenge, ACC is your talent development partner in upskilling and reskilling. Together, we build a stronger, more skilled workforce for the future.